Right now, one of my favorite brokers out there is doing a massive promotion that you guys need to have on your radar. This is a great way to get your friends into trading in an environment where they can literally just copy the best traders and make money without even needing to think that much. So good stuff there, but let's dive into the video. None of this is financial advice, but this is a fantastic campaign. So let's dive into this. So here we are on the PU Prime website, and this is their Refer a Friend campaign. Now, this is super easy to do. All you got to do is sign in, get to your unique link, and then every time somebody clicks your link and then trades on the platform, you could potentially earn as much as 150 USD, which is crazy. We can see here, this is how it works. Open an account successfully, you're going to get a $20 voucher. If they deposit successfully, $50 voucher. If they meet the trading requirements, which will basically just be a small amount of volume, you're going to get an $80 voucher from that as well. So super simple, super easy to get going with this. All you got to do is press the link in the description and get signed up yourself, and then you'll get your referral link. And all you got to do is get your friends involved, and you could earn really decent amounts of passive income from this. I mean, if you've got 1,000 people on board, if you have a group or a network or something like this, think about the returns you can get if they start trading on this amazing platform. Now, why is this platform so good? Well, we can go over to the homepage here and see that yes, they have over 300,000 active clients, 1,000 trading products, regulatory licenses that basically aren't too restricting, but still protect their users and actually allow for over 200 different countries to be serviced here. So if you're someone that travels a lot like me, if you're in Dubai, you bounce around Asia, you bounce around Australia, this could be a great broker for you because you can access this from all of those countries. Now, as well as that, the cherry on the cake here for PU Prime, for me anyway, guys, and the reason I use this more than anything is the copy trading. This allows me to basically find all of the best traders on the platform because they're all visible on here. And then you go on their account, you press follow, you invest with a certain amount, and then, yes, when they take a profitable trade, you take a profitable trade. If they make money, you make money. And that is exactly why I use this platform more than anything else, because their copy trading system is so good. You can do it on a base level where you just follow, or you can actually go in there and customize your take profits and your stop losses depending on a trader. So you can see a trader performing really well, but maybe he's taking profit too late. So you could set the take profit yourself, but still copy his amazing entries. And this is what I love about PU Prime. Now, in terms of reviews, security, all of that good stuff, we've talked about their regulation. It's fantastic, but you can see these guys have gleaming reviews all over the internet, and their spreads. I mean, go to another broker right now, guys, and look at the gold spread. It will not be this low. I mean, this is ridiculously low. Most other, I've actually seen other brokers with 64 spread here. I mean, 0.3 spread on gold is ridiculously cheap. Obviously, it will oscillate like we see here, but I mean, this is still, I would say, 5x cheaper than the next broker out there in terms of fees for trading gold. So imagine how that translates to Bitcoin and all of these other assets here as well. So good stuff here from PU Prime. Definitely one that you should be using. Now, you can connect this with MetaTrader. You can connect it with their app here. You can trade directly on their app, and they've got that web trader as well. But that is PU Prime. Definitely check it out in the description, guys. Take advantage of this Refer a Friend campaign because this is the best way for you to earn passive income and get going with trading. There's also a bunch of other stuff I didn't talk about in this video to do with PU Prime that is just really good and sets it massively apart from other brokers. So definitely check this one out in the description. Give it a little explore and then get your friends involved to earn that passive income. That's going to be it from me. I will see you guys in the next video.